caught me a Dave.
Hey.
And Sarah's already leaving. We have to go to grocery getter. And I want to check out their Miata. It's a project they've been working on. It's a track car. They just painted it a GT3 RS orange. I don't know the name of the color. The engine's out, but it's gonna be a track car. So it's just gonna be used for like time attack, autocross type stuff. Looks really good. Still just needs to be polished and put back together. What's on the back window? Oh, that's not appropriate. I can't show that. Oh, and check this out. So you guys know I'm gonna be doing the car reviews for TFL now. And you guys definitely have to go check out my reviews on TFL once I start doing them. I have my first car right now that I am getting ready to do my review on. That will hopefully be going up, I think, within the next week on TFL, but check it out. It is a 2018 Toyota 86 Black Edition. This is actually the first 86 or BRZ or FRS I've ever driven. And I know they've been out forever. Well, you guys are gonna have to check out my review on TFL to find out what I think about it. Spoiler. All right, let's go in the shop.
Hola.
Hello.
What are you drawing?
I am drawing a sword.
Oh boy, but discovering your next
Because I want to cast
never
one.
a shot in the dark on apartments.com.
What are you doing?
Drinking your drink you left here?
Damn it!
I got Wookiee legs today.
You have what?
Wookiee legs. It didn't
So why is Dave down here?
I went to California to get our RX-7
And where did you sleep last night?
in my truck,
Where?
in the backseat, Old Faithful,
Where were you parked?
outside your house.
And so he ended up getting there at like 3 in the morning. I told him like, just call me when you get here and I'll let you in. And he didn't, he texted me and like I was out. So he ended up sleeping in his truck in front of my house on the street. I felt so bad because like I made up the couch and I put like fresh blankets and pillows and waters and stuff down there. And yeah, and you slept in your truck.
I'm used to sleeping in my truck, or Trevor's truck.
So you got the Mountain package.
Yeah, and they gave me a cute little keychain thing. Whatever they're called.
What is on every single piece of non-powered age that holds the safety pins on?
Lanyards? Those are different, okay?
Alright, so you got brake lines. The rotors are just like, are they stop tech or?
I think so.
Really?
Yeah, they were good.
Yeah, this one's stock.
And the fluid is the multiple RBF 600.
These are for the fronts, they're slotted.
Oh, well, that's nice. The hats are coated or painted. I like that. And then pads.
Mountain pads.
Oh, they're round tuned?
It came with the brake blanket.
Oh, you gotta look.
They're so cute!
You gotta
You
keep
guys are so great.
Mountain getting free advertisement.
They don't need it though.
So Sarah just realized that Rock Auto screwed up and sent her 2 sets of rear rotors.
I'm like really disappointed now.
Look, it's an angry Sarah. People don't see. Oh no, it turned sad.
Oh, you have not seen Angry Sarah, and I don't think you want to.
I've seen angry Sarah. So we can't do her front rotors or pads, but we can do the lines and the fluid in the rear. Few tickets to the gun show.
I'm taking the wheels off. Woohoo! Oh god.
So I'm gonna do one side of our car while Sarah does the other. We're not making this like our normal working on car videos. This is a vlog video, so I'm not gonna show you like every step of doing our brakes because we don't really have the time to film that and get this done. We're trying to get it done within like an hour. Sorry. If you want to learn how to do brakes, I'm sure there's plenty of videos. But you Chris Fix probably has one on it. That's such a stupid place to put the master cylinder because like how are you supposed to fill it with the wiper cowl right above it? So you have to use a funnel to fill it up. But yeah, so that's it. We just gotta fill it up with fluid. car's finished up. We didn't do the front rotors or pads because she has the wrong rotors, so that kind of sucks. But fluid, lines, and rear rotors and pads are good to go.
All right, go a little faster than hit harder. No, you're good. Go a little faster. Straight.
They work. It looks like the General Lee from Dukes of Hazzard. Are you just unsure?
Look at it.
Oh, because the eyebrows, the headlight vents above the... Why did you make the Miata unsure?
Because he didn't want the center vent.
So now it's just an unsure Miata. So we're at some place, Wheelwell,
Wello Canelo.
Hello Canoe. We're at Hello Canoe, and I just got this thing. It's a mango yada. It's like mango, and it's got that tahini stuff in it. So good. And that is a Sonoran dog. Sarah got a giant plate of guac. That looks amazing though. And you got a chicken thing.
With avocado slices.
And you got gangster dogs.
I should have got one of those.
We're not taking her car to the track tonight. We were going to, but with her not doing the front brakes, waiting on the rotor still, and that's like what? That's a sleepy Sarah.
Yeah, I want to be a passenger today, not a driver.
So we're going to the track and we're gonna go spectate. They have pretty much time attack driving at Honda Musselman Circuit, and we're bringing in Junkyard Dave with us before he starts driving back to Colorado. So we're gonna go check out what's at the track and maybe do some ride-alongs in some cars.
No, I didn't sneeze. I'm sorry.
So we're just kind of watching the cars, wishing that we had cars to take out there of our own right now.
I wish I could have taken my ST out today.
I know, if you would have had the brakes, you could have.
I know, it was really depressing. We shouldn't wait to unbox things till the day we're working on them.
I know, right? The goal is to get a car on this track soon. Whether it's the MR2 when I get that back, or a new project car, or whatever. I definitely gotta get out here. We're gonna do some ride-alongs though, so that should be fun. Because I've never driven this track, so it's probably best to do a ride-along to learn the course first. So this could be a useful day out here. Look, there's some of your tires.
Oh, they're little. Just for me, you're so funny. Track lot lizards.
So Sarah's about to hop in Brandon's car. He's running an E36 M3. Or actually, I think it's just a E36. I think it's M3. But she's gonna take her iPhone, record some of this, and then I'm gonna jump in a C6 vent and record from inside the vent. So I hope she doesn't barf. She gets motion sickness. And if she does, I hope it's like epic. So funny because I'm so tall, the helmet is hitting the ceiling and like my back is like squished. Here's the C6, Z06, and what's done mod wise?
coilovers and brakes, that's it. Stock engine.
Stock exhaust too? Here goes nothing.
They're 200 tread wear, 205s.
Okay, so 200 tread wear tires out here.
Yep, not the stickiest, but they go alright.
My big ass head's bouncing off this roof. I can see why you upgraded the brakes.
Oh yeah, this track keeps up brakes.
That's a really odd corner.
Yeah, it really is. It's one of the hardest corners here.
Really?
For sure, yeah.
It's letting the car cool down right now for a lap. The brakes are hot enough that my feet are hot from the floorboard, and the oil temp is up to 259. The second corner, the fast corner, the hard one. Is that one like have multiple different lines that people take on it, or
yeah.
is it?
Yeah, depending on power level and layout, people take that totally differently. I've been driving this car for 8 years now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I've been racing for over 20.
Wow.
So I mean, it took a long time for me to get to the point where I was beating up a car this bad.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm glad I got one that could handle it.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I wouldn't be afraid if I were starting off, or even if it was me bringing out a car that wasn't.
The only thing I really have is once I get the MR2 running, I have that, and I know that's like not a beginner's car to learn on a track.
That car has a lot of snap moves here.
Yeah.
But you know what though? It'll keep you humble.
Yeah. Oh my God, they're so hot. It's hot just getting near them. Oh my God. I like those wheels. Those are really nice. Oh wait. It's a party. There's different wheels over here.
I enjoyed it a lot. Like, it was nice to do a ride along. I can't wait to start learning how to track myself.
That was like really intense in that C606. Like, that was pretty crazy. That was so much fun. I need a track car. Like, so bad. That was like super fun.
Next time I'm gonna take some motion sickness medicine. I don't want to blow chunks.
Who's Chunks?
Is that a joke? You're Chunks. That's a wrap. Send it.
Are we on the Hoonigans?
The Hooligans?
I don't get it. Bye. See you guys soon in another video. Say bye, Junkyard Dave.
See ya.
Today is not a trashy day.